Hello. It's great to have you here. Welcome to another hands-on class of the Havieri ERP. Today we're going to explore the CTE issuance screen, the electronic transport document. While the NFC-e documents the sale of goods, the CTE exclusively documents the transportation service of those goods. It's a mandatory fiscal document for carriers and companies that perform interstate and intermunicipal freight. And as always, the Havieri ERP is an international system serving companies in Brazil, Paraguay, Argentina, Chile, Panama, Mexico, and other countries. This same screen automatically adapts to the tax rules of each nation. Let's explore the screen. At the top, the listing of all CTE issued or pending. You can filter by date, by status, and perform a free search by customer name or document number. The filter button gives quick access to view only documents to be generated, only processed ones, or all. The More filters option combines period and status. Each row shows the issuing company, source sale code, customer name, CPF or CNPJ, total amount, responsible person, shipping method, operation type, CTE number, and status. In the last column, two buttons: the blue magnifying glass, which opens the issuance screen, and the gray pencil, which opens the action menu. Just like in the NFC-e, the pencil only enables when the CTE has already been processed and authorized. Before that, it remains disabled, because the menu allows downloading XML and PDF, sending by email, making a correction letter, and cancellation. By clicking the magnifying glass, the system loads the issuance screen. At the top left, the customer's photo. On the right, a panel with tabs for registration, delivery address, credit status, and purchase history chart. Without leaving the screen, you can check if the customer has credit and see the delivery address. And here begins the main difference of the CTE compared to the NFC-e and NFC-e. There is no product list. The CTE does not detail goods, it documents the transportation service. That's why the issuance screen is more direct, focused on the logistical and fiscal information of the freight. The first block brings the operation nature and CFOP. The operation nature defines the type of transport performed. The CFOP is automatically filled based on the tax rules configured for transport operations, but you can adjust it manually. The second block is the heart of the CTE, the transport information. There are three essential fields. The first is the carrier, where you select the company responsible for the freight. The second is the transport mode, where you define whether the transport is road, air, rail, waterway, or pipeline. The third is the freight payment, indicating who pays, sender, recipient, or third party. A very smart detail: when you select the air mode, the system automatically opens an additional block with specific fields for this type of transport. The origin and destination airports appear, automatically filled based on the issuing company and customer registration. And also three volume dimension fields: height, width, and depth. This information is mandatory for air transport. If you switch to another mode, this block automatically collapses, keeping the screen clean and organized. The third block brings the tax situation, the NFC-e link, and the CTE value. The tax situation defines the ICMS tax treatment on transport. The NFC-e link field is extremely important. Here you select which electronic invoice is being transported. The system automatically loads all NFC-e issued for that customer that have not yet been linked to any CTE. This guarantees complete cargo traceability. The CTE value is automatically filled with the total value of the source sale. The fourth block brings the quantity and type of volume. You inform how many volumes are being transported and select the type: box, pallet, bale, drum, among others. The company field allows you to select which CNPJ issuer to use. With everything filled in, it's time to transmit. The system validates everything before sending: entity, source order, CFOP, volume, operation nature, shipping method, transport mode, freight payment, tax situation, linked NFC-e, and company. If the mode is air, it also validates origin and destination airports and volume dimensions. If something is missing, a message indicates exactly what to correct. During transmission, you follow the status in real time. If authorized, the system automatically downloads XML and PDF and updates the CTE number. It's at this moment that the pencil in the listing goes from disabled to enabled, unlocking the full action menu. In the action menu, three tabs: Files, Correction, and Cancellation. In Files, you download XML and PDF and send by email to the customer. In Correction, you register a letter to adjust information that does not change tax values. In Cancellation, you inform the reason and request directly to the tax authority. Everything is recorded in the history. If there is a pending issue in transmission, the system queries again every 3 seconds, up to 5 attempts. The CTE integrates directly with sales and with NFC-e. Each sale with freight appears in the CTE to issue listing. By linking the NFC-e in the specific field, you create complete fiscal traceability. The NFC-e says what was sold, the CTE says how it was transported. The API status tab checks in real time if the tax authority servers are operational. In the drop-down menu next to List, you switch between 3 views: Sales, Standalone, and Discrepancies. The Havieri ERP CTE screen delivers complete fiscal management for transportation services, carrier and mode selection, specific fields for air cargo with airports and dimensions, direct link with NFC-e, configurable tax situation, and much more. All with the same ease of use and the security of always being in compliance with your country's tax authority. In the next class, we'll explore another essential system functionality. See you then.